channel. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. You already know who it is. It's your boy Eddie and your girl Mandy. We got a new challenge coming to y'all today. We're gonna do this little challenge. We're gonna try to make some tacos for y'all. See who tacos the best. You know. So we're gonna see. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna try to see y'all. But we already know E-Crew, who it's gonna be.
And babe, y'all know what it is.
So stay tuned, y'all. That's some great content.
We're making taquitos. So we got our bowls of meat. And we're finna have it.
In the season.
So here's mine. My meat.
This is my meat, y'all. Y'all see that? Very flavorful, very flavorful. E-Crew stand up, so I'm gonna stand up.
Now we finna make these tacos. We got the cheesy dough, we got the turkey. Dedicated, so. So you guys, here's mine.
This is mine. A real Mexican style.
And this one mine.
Which one y'all think gonna taste better?
But amen. Come on.
Amen. Well, you get away from me to bite it. Bite it.
Oh, but it's not done.
First thing I can taste the cheese. Of course, I expected that. Cause my baby loves cheese.
The first thing I take on yours too.
It tastes spicy. Like I took too much of big bite. What's your verdict? What's your verdict?
With all honesty, mine was good, but I like his better.
I say my baby look good. It has all the different bursts of flavor in them.
Yeah, what?
Different bursts of flavors. You get everything. But I guess because I'm used to mine, I like mine a little bit better. So who won, y'all? E-Crew or him, babe? It don't matter, both of them. Cause we get taco, y'all ain't got no taco. So E-Crew won, them.
That's all we have for today. That's missing like
E-Crew won, them.
subscribe and comment down there. We're adding Aggie to E-Crew.
Mexicans reign again. Mexican taco.